This is a simple and fast review of the Amzfast 2K 27-inch gaming monitor. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out with some high definition video actually, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. Alright, so as we get the box open here, it's pretty well protected. Instructions, cables are popping out on the other side here, so kind of see our stand, power, and it does come with a connection plug. So it's a really nice size, as you can tell. So we're going to go ahead and connect the stand, which just clips on into the back here, as you can see. So we'll get it connected and test this out. All right, so underneath on the left-hand side from the back here, you'll see DC, a couple HDMIs, a DP 1 and 2, as well as a headphone jack, so just be aware, and we're going to go ahead and test it. Alright, so I don't have room yet on my desktop because I still have to take down one of these mounts, but I want to show you just first of all how big this thing is. It's really a wonderful size, and I mean the footage. I'm demonstrating a 4K video on YouTube, and it just absolutely kills it. As you can see, it's crystal, or I'm hoping it's coming through crystal clear. I mean, it's just, the video is unbelievable. So to me, definitely worth buying. This thing's gigantic, really nice size, obviously 27-inch, beautiful clear display, and you know, it works perfect. So to me, definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review has helped you, and thank you for watching.